In this vast galaxy, there could be other planets besides Earth that have subterranean life, but we have never encountered them nor found any traces of them. A new theory has recently emerged that may explain the so-called Fermi paradox posed by renowned physicist Enrico Fermi. According to a paper published last August in the Astronomical Journal of the American Astronomical Society, the reason we haven't encountered aliens is that they haven't visited Earth in about 10 million years. In other words, aliens have already completed their exploration of Earth a long time ago. Although many people still believe that aliens had already visited Earth and the government is hiding them, all civilizations in the universe may have perished before interstellar travel became possible. A technologically inferior civilization like Earth is protected on a cosmic scale. Various theories are being proposed. Amidst numerous theories, space physicists from the University of Rochester and NASA have put forth a new perspective on this issue. It has to do with the positioning of stars. If star positioning is not taken into account when solving this problem, there are basically only two possibilities. Either no intelligent life has left its home planet, or we are the only technologically advanced civilization in the universe. The idea that has emerged pertains to the movement and location of stars in the galaxy. Even if traces of intelligent life are found on other planets, if the location is not close enough, it is very difficult to observe or visit. Even if we had the technology to travel to another planet, the civilization might have already become extinct before we could reach it. Therefore, the only option for traveling to such planets is to wait until our respective positions in the galaxy are closest. Our research team conducted simulations on the spread of extraterrestrial civilizations, taking into account various factors such as the speed of civilization development and the range and speed of interstellar travel. Note that social factors of extraterrestrial civilizations were not considered much in this simulation. The results of the simulation showed that there is a possibility of many civilizations existing in the galaxy other than Earth, but the likelihood of them being too far apart and unable to find each other is also high. Additionally, the research team is also examining the possibility that extraterrestrial life forms may have already visited Earth. According to them, if extraterrestrial beings had visited Earth a long time ago, the traces they left behind would likely have completely disappeared. They also suggest the possibility that the aliens may have visited Earth but decided not to settle on a planet where life already existed and simply passed it by. The research team named the possibility of these scenarios occurring the Aurora effect, after the title of a novel by science fiction writer Kim Stanley Robinson. Based on the results of this research, it seems unlikely that we will have any contact with extraterrestrial civilizations during our lifetime. However, fortunately, space observation technology is dazzlingly advancing, and new space telescopes are also scheduled to be launched, so we can still hope. In addition, in 2017, NASA announced that an extraterrestrial object, Oumuamua, was approaching our solar system and that a second interstellar object, or so, was approaching. As you may know, Oumuamua was the subject of speculation that it may have been an alien spaceship. There's already a lot of interest in the identity of Orso. Today's research results show that it is highly unlikely that we will meet them during our lifetime. Perhaps Earth is the only civilization in the universe that has developed, or interstellar objects like Oumuamua or Borisov are more likely to be ordinary celestial bodies that have accidentally flown into our solar system. However, we still may secretly hope for the day when we can finally make contact.